Experiencing problems with your Rogers mobile voicemail? Many issues stem from network settings, app updates, or simple user errors. First, ensure your phone has a stable network connection. Try switching to Wi Fi if cellular fails. Next, make sure your Rogers app is up to date. Let's start with PIN issues. If you've forgotten your PIN, you can reset it via the My Rogers app without calling support. Open the app, go to your voicemail settings, and follow the PIN reset prompts. For call forwarding problems, use the correct codes. Dial 211's voicemail number to forward all calls or 73 to cancel forwarding. Finally, for visual voicemail malfunctions, clear the app's cache or reinstall it. Most issues are user fixable with these basic steps. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, let's explore advanced solutions for persistent visual voicemail problems. First, ensure the app has the necessary permissions for notifications and microphone access. Rogers is increasingly using AI-powered transcription in visual voicemail to improve accuracy. Make sure this feature is enabled in your app settings. If you experienced issues during the June 2025 outage related to 5G upgrades, try resetting your call forwarding by dialing *73 to cancel, then re-enable it. Rogers compensated users with $10 credits during that event. Looking ahead, Rogers plans to fully integrate AI into voicemail by 2030, including real-time translation and spam filtering. However, privacy concerns remain a key challenge. Remember that Rogers is gradually phasing out legacy voicemail systems, so updating to the latest app-based solutions is recommended. If issues persist, contact Rogers support for assistance. But remember, most issues are fixable via online guides and self-help options within the My Rogers app.